First, open Google Chrome. Go to the TikTok website. Click Log in the top right corner. At the bottom of the sign-in window, click Sign Up. Here, you'll see several sign-up options. You can sign up using your phone number, email, or continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or other available options. I'm going to choose Sign Up with Email. Select your date of birth. Enter your email address. Create a password for your account. Click Send Code. Open your email inbox. Copy the verification code that TikTok sends you. Go back to the TikTok page. Paste the verification code. Then click Next. Wait a few seconds while TikTok creates your account. Your TikTok account is now ready to use. That's it. This is how you can create a TikTok account on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.